Hello students. Now addition of polynomials. What you have to do is just add the numerical coefficient of the like terms. Now what will be the term? If it is x, it can be added only to x. If it is y, it can be added only to y, and so on. So let us do the two methods. One is the column method and the other is the row method for addition of polynomials. So what we do in column method, the polynomial is arranged in such a way that the variable comes one above the other. So the adding the coefficient becomes easy. So now here 3a plus 2b minus 4c, this one polynomial, 8a minus 5b plus 2c is other. See that the a is above a, or they are together in a straight line, b is in straight line, c is in straight line. So this 3a plus 8a, 11a, 2b minus 5b minus 3b minus 4c plus 2c minus 2c. So here it is easier method. You don't make mistake in column method. The other is the row method. So here you arranged in a straight line, put it in bracket. Put it in bracket. Next step, you remove the bracket. So 3a plus 2b minus 4c plus 2c minus 5b plus 8a. Now next step would be to arrange the like terms a, b, b, c, c. Now 3a plus 8a, it is 11a plus 2b minus 5b minus 3b minus 4c plus 2c minus 2c. You should know when the signs are different, you have to subtract. When the signs are same, you have to add. Remember that. And the sign which you are going to put here is going to be the one of the bigger number. Just remember, whichever see the bigger number and put the sign. Now you know what to write, but in the end, if you make a small mistake, instead of minus you write plus, then you are going to get 0 because your answer is wrong. So see that you don't make any silly mistake to get full marks. Now the subtraction of polynomial again can be done by two methods. One is column method and the row method. What you have to actually do is change the sign of each term of the second polynomial. Like this is the first polynomial and you have to subtract the second. So the sign of each one has to be changed of the second polynomial. Each term the sign has to change. So here plus minus have become minus, minus plus has become minus, minus minus has become plus. So here now I just have to subtract. After changing, I have to subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3, minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8, and 1 plus 6 is 7. So you have to be very careful. Even in the column method, you do in two steps. One, you write down the sign, minus sign here, and here you write the final sign, minus plus minus, minus plus minus, minus minus plus. Now you can add it. After changing the sign, you add it. 5 minus 2, 3, minus minus, it is plus 3 plus 5, 8, sign of the bigger one, plus 1 plus 6, 7. So this is how it has to be done by column method. In subtraction, you prefer the row method. Here you tend to commit lesser mistakes. How? First you have to write it, both the polynomials in bracket, and then open the bracket. First one has to be written as it is. Now when you open the bracket, the sign changes of the each term of the second polynomial, the sign changes. So here minus 2x square. Now this is plus here. Minus plus becomes minus. Minus minus becomes plus. Now after you have opened the bracket, change the sign, you collect the same variable, same term, x square together, x together, and this is just numeral. So now these two, now they have to be subtracted. 5 minus 2, 3x square, minus 3x, minus 5 becomes minus 8x, and this 1 plus 6 becomes 7. So this is how it has to be subtracted. One thing you have to remember while subtracting, that the sign of the second polynomial, each term sign changes, so that you don't make any mistakes. Now, subtraction has to be carried out when certain wordings are used. Let us see those wordings. Take away x plus 2y from 2x plus 5y. Take away is subtraction. So, this is the first number. You have to subtract this x plus 2y. So, when you subtract, the sign is going to change. It is going to become minus x minus 2y. Take away is subtraction. What is excess of 2x plus 5y over x plus 2y? Again, this is the bigger number. You have to subtract x plus 2y. Sign will change. Minus x minus 2y. By how much does 2x plus 5y exceed x plus 2y? Again, you have to subtract 2x plus 5y minus, you can put in bracket, x plus 2y. When you open the bracket, it becomes minus x minus 2y. How much is x plus 2y less than 2x plus 5y? Again, 2x plus 5y minus bracket, x plus 2y. When you open the bracket, the sign changes. What must be subtracted from 2x plus 5y to get x plus 2y? Again, you have to subtract x plus 2y from 2x plus 5y. What should be added to x plus 2y to get 2x plus 5y? Again, 2x plus 5y minus x plus 2y. So with these wordings, you have to subtract. You have to look at the numbers carefully, decide which is the bigger number and which is the smaller number, and when you subtract, open the bracket, the sign inside will change. Now, if the terms are not same, they are unlike terms, like one is x and the other is y, you cannot add or subtract them, because the variables, the terms, they are completely different. So let's see how the addition or subtraction can be done of the unlike terms. So here one term x, 5x, the coefficient, numerical coefficient is 5, 5x, the term is x. Now the other, the term is y, numerical coefficient 7. The numerical coefficient cannot be added, they have to be written 5x plus 7y as it is. If addition is asked, you put plus sign. If subtraction is asked, then you put a minus sign. Write as it is. So now subtraction of 9y from 3xy. Again, this term is different. Y is different. Xy is different. This is numerical coefficient 9 and 3. They cannot be subtracted. They have to be written as it is. 3xy and 9y has to be subtracted from it. So you write it minus 9y. They have to be written as it is. Now, Subtract 5x square plus 9y square minus 3z square from the sum of 6x square minus 5y square and y square plus 5z square. So the sum of these two polynomial has to be taken. They have to be added. And this expression has to be subtracted after adding these two. So how you have to write the expression so that it becomes simple and you need not make any mistake. First add this. You can see 6x square minus 5y added to y square plus 5z square. So the sum, now when you add this, you're going to get this sum. And this has to be subtracted. So now write this expression 5x square plus 9y square minus 3z square. Put in bracket. This has to be subtracted. When the bracket is open, all the sign is going to change. Here it is addition, you have to write as it is. So when you open the bracket, you write 6x square minus 5y square, write as it is. Y square plus 5z square as it is. They have to be added. Now this subtracted minus 5x square. Now this inside sign plus will become minus 9y square. This minus will become plus. So minus minus plus 3z square. You have written this everything together. Now the expressions, the terms which are same, x square, find out where x square is there, here, minus 5x square. So now you have written minus 5x square. Now any other x square is there? No. All this x square has come together. Now next is y square. Minus 5y square minus 5y square. Y square is here. Y square you write here. Any other y square? Minus 9y square. Y square you have written. So all this y square has come together. Now z square. 5z square, 5z square, 3z square. You have put together. Now this x square is same. So you can add this. Plus 6 minus 5. 1 x square left. Now this x square, it is over. You can make some sign writing that this is over. Now minus 5y square plus y square minus 9 square y square minus 13y square. Now this is all y square. Y square is over. Now 5z square plus 3z square, 8z square. This is how the addition and subtraction of unlike terms, like and unlike terms, should take place. One thing you have to remember, that only like terms can be added or subtracted, and the other you have to remember is you have to put the correct sign. So this is how you can carry out the operation. Now the rules of addition of like terms. If the signs of both the terms are same, add their numerical coefficient and affix the same sign. See, here it is plus plus, you have to add it and then put the plus sign. But now here it is minus minus, sign is same here, you have to add it, 13. But what sign you have to put? Minus. So when the sign is same, you have to add it. In both, the addition has taken place of the numerical coefficient because they are like terms, and the sign is put of the same. If it is plus plus, plus. If it is minus minus, minus. Now the second rule of addition of like terms. If the signs of both the terms are different, subtract the smaller numerical coefficient from the greater and affix the sign of the greater coefficient. See, here it is different, plus minus, minus plus, both are different. The coefficient, they are having different sign, then you have to subtract. 8 minus 5, it is 3. Now how you will decide which sign should be given? See, the bigger one is 8, it has got plus sign, so you give plus sign. Here it is minus 8 plus 5. You have to subtract because the signs are different. So you have subtracted, got 3. Now which sign has to be put? You see, it is 8 is the bigger one which has got the minus sign. Therefore you give this sign a fix. Fix this sign here as minus. Now how do we find the perimeter of triangle? You just have to add the sides. This is one side, the other side, and the third side. So you have to add all the sides to get the perimeter of the triangle. So let's add it. Now one side 7x minus 2y. You put in bracket, add x plus y, put in bracket, 2x plus 3y, put in bracket. Now open the bracket, 7x minus 2y plus x plus 5y plus 2x plus 3y. Now you have opened the bracket, bring all the like terms of x together, y all together. So here 7x plus x plus 2x. Now here minus 2y plus 5y plus 3y, all the y together. Now they are all plus, so you don't have to worry. Just add 7 plus 1, 8, 9, 10, 10x. Now minus 2. Here these two are same plus plus. So you can add plus 5 plus 3, 8 and subtract minus 2. Put the sign of the bigger one, 8, you get plus 6y.